If you open in this way, don't worry about that, okay? Change to English first, okay? E, okay, I, okay. I make a recording here, so don't worry about it, okay? If you want to choose the English, it's on top, okay? On top. On the way top, okay? And sure, sure. So it's become the English system, okay? You choose the file, choose the open, choose the data, okay? Normally they were in the Chinese called the 下载, okay, 下载. Click on the new one, okay? The date is October 6th, okay? October 6th. And open it, okay? And check out the variable view, okay? Is any logical and mathematical? Oh, it's right here. Right here. But please, when you do the practice, don't use mine created here, okay? Use your own. And let me teach you, okay? And first you choose the transform, okay? And you compute the variable, okay? And remember logical and mathematical, okay? You have to find the, I think that's a full question, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, math, okay? That's math. Okay, give a bracket first, okay? Math 2 plus all the math questions need to add up together, okay? And math 5 plus, okay? And math 7. This is, oh, okay, only you have 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, okay? So if you want to create a target variable, we always say the y, okay, y1. Remember LM, okay? LM maybe, what's your group? What's your group? For example, if you are the what? G1. G1 is who? G1 杜文海. You can make a practice here, add down like a ANOVA, right? ANOVA. And you can open the what? Open the Excel, right? Excel. EXCEL. Okay, and if you do the practice, your group will move down. Okay, move down to the week 6. If no process, you'll still stay in the week 2 or week 3. Okay, that means your final project didn't make any progress. Okay, and you guys are very smart, right? Divided by what? English. Divide by what? Numbers. How many items here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be divided by what? Du Wenhai is LMG1, right? And G1. So don't use my LM. You can change your group name. Okay. If you are G2, you create the LMG2, so forth. Okay. Divide by 4. Okay. Divide by 4 right here. Normally they don't have a variable called the LMG1. Okay. You create a new one. Okay. or generate a new one. Okay, right here. Okay. Oh. So this is called the right here. That's a new one. You click on variable view. If it create the new one, it will on the bottom. Okay, on the bottom. Okay. So and let's make an analysis right here. So if you lost it, okay, you will get lost. You can follow my PPT right here. Follow my PPT right here. Okay. Today we just mentioned about 1 to 19. Okay. But if you can look carefully, you don't have to go back and forth to check out PPT. You can do it automatically. Okay. When you want to do the ANOVA, remember there are two methods. Okay. First one, analyze. Compare means ANOVA right here. Okay. Second one, general linear model univariant. I encourage you to do the second path. Okay. Second path. Click on it. Okay. And the dependent variable right here. LMG1. Okay. And factor, you can choose the sex fixed factor here. And they have 3 levels. Okay. And post hoc. Okay. Choose sex. Choose 收费. Okay. Everything is on the PPT. Okay. Maybe you can check out the here. Okay. Here. Okay. Understand right here. Okay. Details right here. Okay. And let's go back to SPSS. Okay. And choose options. Okay. Sex. Compare main effects. The default analysis called LSD. Okay. Click on the discrete statistics. Okay. In that way, you will know the male mean is higher or female mean is higher. Okay. Actually, you can choose the significance level here. This is 1 star, right? So if you want to choose the 2 star, you can change like 0.01. But confidence level will be bigger, right? 99. Okay. Let's change it to the 0.05. 95 confidence intervals. Okay. Continue. Okay. So if you can save it on your Excel, right? As your assignment today, right? 2, 3, 4, 5. Second is the between subject factors. Okay. You can move around, right? 1, 2, 3. Doesn't matter with a number right here. Okay. And the number 3 is what? The discrete statistics for the male and the female, right? It's the same thing I put on the PPT. Okay. So the male is bigger, right? Male is bigger. Okay. Number 4, ANOVA table. Okay. ANOVA table right here. So you can see intercept is a significant, right? So M is the model. Can I use the insert and symbol not equal to? Where can I find it's a math, right? Not equal to. How to find it? Oh, right here. Not equal to. So model, I can type the model. model not equal to the data. Don't worry about that because it's about 80–90%. The null hypothesis for the intercept is a reject. Okay, it's rejected. Okay, and this is significant. Okay, and this is good news. Okay, so you can maybe put the yellow background. Okay, but right now this is a main table. You cannot make a judgment right here. Okay, but this is a good news right here. Sex. Okay, main effect for A factor, they have a difference. Okay, maybe they have a significant differences here. Okay, and remember the pairwise comparison. So you can click on this one. Okay, pairwise comparisons. Make a copy here, right? And paste it. This is more important because in here you can see this is a significant, and the male minus female is mean differences. Okay, mean differences. So it's 0.413. So you can make a conclusion like a male greater than female. Okay. On the logical and mathematical intelligence. Okay, and that's a conclusion right here. So remember, wrong word, MLE, female. Okay, so that's a conclusion right here for this ANOVA analysis. Basically, it deals with the differences. Okay. Differences. Okay, so let me finish my recording.